Okay, back out in the greenhouse after my surgery. I still getting a little dizzy, so I can't bend over too much. Kaylee helped me get this barrel in here. It's dark green, one little silver fence. I'm gonna fill it full of water, and hopefully it'll hold some heat tonight. And then she helped me get this compost pile going in the back corner. Hopefully that starts heating up. It's already started to heat up, but hopefully it'll produce some heat for the greenhouse here. Other than that, I've got my 100-gallon propane tank and my homemade burner here. I think we'll be okay temperature-wise. Got a few of these German giant red radishes coming up. They say it's like 20 to 25 days to maturity on these, so that'll be exciting. We've got some zucchini still going over here, broccoli coming on, cabbage starting to head, lettuce heading up, and then carrots on down there. We've got broccoli coming up through the middle. Now, I left the corn stalks in just so we leave the mycorrhizal fungi there with the roots, and we planted beans. Beans kind of froze a little bit. We didn't have it quite warm enough in here, so we planted broccoli down the middle of the corn row, and we got some onions that started to come back in the fall here, so we transplanted them into the greenhouse. We got bok choy. Oh, this bok choy is just about picking size, I think. Bok choy got hit real hard the first day we transplanted it into these holes, and I thought it was going to die, but it's bounced back and it's doing really well. We got the purple cabbage starting to head up, and our cilantro over there starting to seed out. We'll get some more seeds, and then our bell pepper still hanging in there doing fantastic. Oh, what a fun thing to do. Charlotte and I have just really enjoyed this. The kids have enjoyed this greenhouse. There's one of Dr. Kennedy's cherry tomatoes. We took a clipping from one of his plants, rooted it, and planted it right here. I didn't know what to expect, but it's just given us tons of tomatoes, and it just keeps going. It might span the arch if the weather allows, if we can keep it warm enough in here. But boy, it's a hardy tomato plant. We got some tomatillos behind it there that they got frost nipped a little bit, but I think they're coming out of it. And then on the right over here, we've got snow peas, and boy, these snow peas have just started to bloom, and they are coming on strong, and they just keep growing higher and higher. So I can't wait to start eating some snow peas off of here. And here it is, November. Kale is jumping out of the ground. I put worm castings on it, and whoa, it's just jumping out of the ground. We got newer kale here that David gave us, and some broccoli here. And we got all these broccoli at different stages. I think we'll be freezing some broccoli and maybe eating it at different stages along the line. We have our plastic go up on the side about 6 to 8 inches, and that seems to be all the ventilation we need with the doors open. Eventually I want to put some vents in the end, and that'll do it. It'll be a great greenhouse.